going on YouTube? I am back with another video, and what you can see behind me is my dream car. You guys, we have a 2019 ZR1 in white with the carbon fiber package, and you can't tell, I am in a warehouse full of expensive and fast cars, man. We are up at RK Motors for their car show this morning. Now, there's a lot of cars outside, but I'm focusing on inside first, so make sure you guys stay tuned, lock in. Everything 1320 happens on this channel, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, all of that stuff, man, because we are going crazy the rest of the year. But let's get into the ZR1. So first and foremost, you guys, the accents are crazy. Carbon fiber, literally everywhere, you guys. Even the steering wheel, like anything that can be carbon fiber is carbon fiber, you guys. But I'm a huge fan of the ZR1 blue, and it just looks super aggressive. Super aggressive, man. And you can look at the price. If anybody wants to give me $189,000 to cover taxes, etc., be my guest. All right, you guys. When I tell you there is so many crazy cars in here, and you're gonna pay. All right, you see that? That's your mom's house, let alone anybody else's. In a car, you guys. So these are all collectible cars, very low miles, man. You're talking about some of these cars, 8,000 original miles with a 632 V8. I don't think y'all heard me again, 632 V8, right? But what I really like is this color. This is a custom color, and it's absolutely wild. And it is a 70 Chevelle with hood pins, man. You know me, I love a good hood pin. And then we got this twin turbo. Look at that, twin turbo, right? Malibu. Look how big that trunk is. Hey, watch this. Hey, you gonna race that, bro?
Bro,
Look, bro.
Look, I got two reasons why not to race this car.
Bro.
1, 2. You gonna race it?
I think I'll get a little crap out of it.
Oh, okay, yeah, for sure. For sure.
Got more power than you.
I know. Look at this.
Hey, those three, look at this. Chrome lip. Like I said, there is some crazy cars in here, you guys. We even have I don't even know the year on this Lotus. 2000. That is crazy. And look how clean it is. But again, we're gonna hit all of these cars, and then of course we'll head outside, you guys. All right, so of course I'm gonna find a red Vette. Now this is a C6, not a C7. If you follow me, you know a C7 is my dream car. But this is a C6 ZR1. Only thing I don't like is the chrome wheels, you guys. Not a fan of the chrome wheels, but the C6s do come with the clear cutout on the hood, man. And the crazy part is, not bad for 84 for 2010, man. And I do like this body style, but I feel like, in my opinion, I wouldn't build it. It would be something that I would have to like just have in the garage. Then of course you got your convertible Z06, your normal pop car here, to be honest. And then we have another ZR1 in black. But of course, I'm taking the red one all day over that. We got some, when I tell you I've never heard of RK Motors until the other day, and this right here is crazy. But this takes the cake. Let's dive into it. So first and foremost, this is a 63 split window for 400 grand, right? Check out the motor, the color, and it even has the Z06 wheels. And the paint is like, there is not a flaw in this paint, you guys. I think easily my second favorite car besides the ZR1 here. And of course we have a base model, Z51 Chevrolet Corvette. Now this is what you're gonna pay if you want it right away, all right? It's one of those things that you gotta pay to play. But if you know anything about YouTube, Jen and Rails are gonna be picking up their C8. Make sure you check out their channel. I can't wait for them to get it, man. He's been waiting for a while and he deserves that car more than anybody that I know, man. But let's get looking at more of these cars, man. And then of course, like I said, we'll get outside. All right, we have the famous Trans Am, and this is how you know. That price says NA, man. Fully done, right? Kept clean. Original rims. Like this is a car that you would keep in the garage and have at shows, man. Now, I know what movie it's from. I understand the history of the car. Like I got you, but it's something that I don't think I would spend the $300,000 that I feel like this car is gonna be. But to each their own, still love the car. That white is different too, the white and black. Again, we got a few old schools. A Thunderbird, I think it's a Thunderbird. Yeah, Thunderbird, I thought so. I'm getting better at my old schools, you guys. But this green is just different. I think it's a Z28. No, 350, yeah. The green's different. Camaro still has this green, it's just not the same, I'm gonna use the term picture, it's not the same color code per se. But Cody said he would take this over a Scat Pack. Now it is a LS, or most people LS swap these, etc. But I ain't gonna lie, if I had a little bit of play money, I'd take this and definitely track the life out of it. If you don't know, 1320 Roll actually has one that he's built, so make sure you check out his channel. But that red is different, man. I miss my red Challenger, I can't lie. And it's clean, you guys. Of course, a nice yellow Z28. Now, there is a car that I'm gonna show you guys here shortly that I've actually, how can I put it to you guys? I've actually looked at buying at some point as a daily driver, as a commuter car, etc. Obviously, once I get to that point, and it's this right here, man. Your Porsche Turbo S, man. And this is an older one. I would get an older one. I'm not gonna spend $300,000 on a 911 Turbo S. But it's a very nice car, right? Obviously, you can tell it's super clean, and they sound good, and that you can downpipe this, upgrade all types of stuff. And then even for it to be an older one, the inside is still crazy nice, and it's small, which is what I look for in a daily drivable car. Now, I'm gonna blow your mind on this car, all right? This paint is crazy, right? All the way to the engine bay. The orange is different, I definitely like that. But this is what you're gonna sit and pay, right? For a 5.0, 6-speed, all done up, man. This thing is crazy, don't get me wrong, but $400,000 is crazy, right? Even the interior is nicely done. And of course, we got our Mustang boys here, man. I'm not a fan of this body style when it comes to the GT500s. I want a newer body style for those, but of course they are still a crazy fast car. The Mustang in red isn't that bad. Isn't that bad, you guys. But I do like the racing stripes on Mustangs. I feel like they look aggressive. But again, has to be a newer body style for me. So you guys have seen some crazy cars, but I'm about to show you some very rare Dodge cars. You guys know that I'm a huge Dodge person. We have a SRT10 truck, right? Which is actually the Viper powered truck. You do not see these often, and it is in pristine condition. The silver is like immaculate, super clean, and you're probably gonna pay anywhere between 50 to 60, yep, 54, right? Absolutely crazy. They put a Viper motor in a truck. Now, that's pretty much what they were doing at an early time. They were basically before their time. Now you see Hellcat motors and everything, kind of the same idea. And then we have a dinosaur, you guys. We have a SRT8 Dodge Magnum, right? With the Alcantara, right? Black seats. You do not see these often. Now, there are some trucks, right? There is a specific truck I want to show you guys outside. It is actually a few trucks that are race trucks that look super, super crazy. We're gonna go find Cody, we're gonna get outside. But RK Motors in Charlotte is a hidden gem, you guys. I've never seen it. They sell cars, let them sell your car, all of that good stuff, man. But let's head outside. All right, you guys, we finally made it outside, and the first thing I see is a orange GT500 with the carbon fiber wheel option, you guys. That is not a cheap option. That is about a $7,000 per wheel option. And I'm a huge fan of the orange, and it's aggressive looking, you guys. But what you can see, there is a lot of cars. Man, we got a C8, we got a Z28, we have a 427. Yep, 427. We got a lot of cars out here, you guys. So we are gonna dive into them. Let's go. All right, of course, I have to come to a BMW, man. Upgraded charge pipe, I didn't see that. Intake, whatever you wanna call it. But the color on some of these BMWs, all right, are absolutely crazy. M2, and you would literally think this is a wrap compared to Cody's like bright red, but this is done super nicely. It has the carbon fiber. That's wild, you guys. We have another truck. Like I said, we'll get to the other truck here in a minute. But we got a nice Chevy truck. We have a Datsun. That's crazy if you know about what a Datsun is, man. And then of course we have C7 416 stroker motor with a Pro Charger. You got YSI. Super crazy. This was Ken's car at one point, but again, Ben or C7 Ben on Instagram, etc. ended up buying it. But this thing is bad, you guys. Then we got a nice Armani 3-piece wheel. We got a Talkmaster Jr. out here, you guys. Got a 383 stroker. I was waiting to see the turbo on it, but it's super clean. Got another 427, you guys. I like that setup. I like that setup. The dual intakes. That's clean. That is clean. Got a 32 Ford. You do not see that often. Then of course we have this rare beast, a Daytona Hellcat in the B5 blue. And then we got the man himself. All right, we have one Icon B. All right, one Iconic B. Sorry, messed that up. Don't hate me. All right, I'm not gonna call out his government, but super fast 11-second four-door, man. 11-second four-door. I'm a fan of the purple too. Fan of the purple, man. All right, you guys, here is one of the trucks that we're gonna talk about. You got a C10, all right, Recaro seats, Sparco steering wheel, upgraded rear end. Obviously, you can tell based on the bed liner, man. Super, super clean car. But let's get to the truck that's over here, all right, that is absolutely crazy. Let's go. We got a TTRS. Look at these wheels. These wheels are crazy. Got a mini R8 out here. Carbon fiber. Oh, baby R8. That's clean. Got a clean C8. And like I said, we got a Z28. Another Z28. We had to park all the way out here, and we were here 30-40 minutes early. That's what's crazy. A nice little lineup of cars, man. I'm not gonna lie. All right, there are so many cars here. All right, we actually, again, had to park. Oh, can you see me? Right there. Which is crazy. Again, we got here 30-40 minutes early, and we still had to basically create a whole new line. I'm gonna take a look at some of these cars that are actually down here, and I think we're gonna hit the road, man. We're a little bit hungry. We got a long day tomorrow, so make sure you tune into the video that's gonna be after this, man. We are going down with Mod to Fame, Steph from Mod to Fame, my bad. Demonology, all those good guys. But check out this car, man. I'm a fan of the hood. I'm a fan of this car in general, actually. I'm not gonna lie. We have a nice little, I'm about to call this the wrong thing, Kia Stinger. Oh, that truck's not here anymore, you guys. I should have recorded it earlier. I apologize.
Sure.
Truck was right here. Super built, no hood. Crazy. Then, looks like we got a nice little Jaguar. Got a 5.7 TA. Corvette, of course. We got a 5.0. I like that blue. That blue is tough. But you can see, it is a nice little setup, man. So, RK Motors, I just found out about it literally last week. But you can see they actually have some crazy cars inside, man. So if you're looking for a car, make sure you reach out to them. You know, there are some cars in there that are pretty sought after, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. But if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff, man. Of course, we got a whole lot going for the channel. The giveaway is coming, you guys. Bear with me. I'm trying to get some things in motion, and I can't even say I want it perfect, but I want it to get the attention that it needs, and I want to make sure you guys get out of it what it should be. So bear with me. That'll probably be solved this Sunday once I get back with Stunner and them. But let's go back on the road. Let's get Cody, and we're out.